Very good morning, students. Today we are moving to next part, that is the earth. We are going to study about our earth. So the earth is the third nearest planet to sun and in size, and it is the fifth largest planet, and shape of the earth, it is geoid. So we discuss all these things. Then we are moving to next part. Our earth is known as blue planet, as well as it is the unique planet. That things we already discussed. Next topic is the moon. Our earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. It determines only 1/4 that of the earth, and it appears so big because it is very near to us, and it is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. What is the distance between earth and moon? 3,84,400 kilometers. Now we can compare the distance from sun, how much it is. Okay, the moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. How many days it is taking? 27 days. And it takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. It is moving in the spin, that also taking 27 days, and moving around the sun, that also taking 27 days. The only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. When we are looking, when it is moving around or spinning, because of spinning, we can see only one side of the moon when we are looking from earth. The moon does not have condition favorable for life, even though it is Earth satellite, but no favorable condition for living life there in moon. It has mountains, plains, depression on its surface, and these cast shadows on the moon's surface. And look at the full moon and observe these shadows. When we are observing the moon in the full moon day, we can see some of the shapes. It may be because of the mountains of the moon, or sometimes the depression of the moon, like that. Some images we can see when we are looking to the moon. Then when we are saying about a moon is the satellite, then we want to think about some interesting facts we want to think. Okay, interesting fact. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 21st July 1969. In which year? 1969. This one 2021. After many days, after 50 years, 60 years. Afterwards, how many people went, that you can find out. The person who touched the moon first time, that is Neil Armstrong. Then satellites means what it is. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way as the planet moves around the sun. How it is, the earth is moving around the sun the same way, the satellite also arounds the planet, and it is taking now we have seen that 27 days to round the sun, earth. How the earth is rounding the sun the same way the moon is rounding the earth. Then next one, human made satellite. We heard about many satellite like that, and we are going to see. A human made satellite is an artificial body. It is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for a communication. So we know about human made satellite. It is made by human being. For what? To gather information, to collect the information related to a particular thing. It is maybe related to Mars, or it is related to moon, like that information we want to collect. It carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the earth. Around the earth orbit we are placing it, and with the help of rocket. And some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. So like this, many satellites we are having, and some of the names it is given. So you can find out other satellites names from with the help of your parents or from net. So moon is the natural satellite and we are having many man-made satellite. And what is the difference? The moon we never made, that is universally, geologically it formed, and the human-made satellite we are making, artificial body we are making, and we are giving some work to that, and it is carrying with the help of rocket and keeping in the orbit around the earth, and we are getting the information. Okay, then natural satellite, that is moon, and human made satellite many are there, INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. What do animals and planets require in order to grow and survive? We said that in before paragraph about interesting fact in about moon. It is not a good or favorable condition. There is no favorable condition for life. Then question is, what it is needed, or what things should be there to live in particular area, or how should be our environment to have life in the particular planet or in satellite. What all things we know? We need oxygen, or air needed, then water needed, food needed, everything, and good climate needed. Everything we need to live in a particular area or to survive. Even same condition with the plants. If plants is getting only sunlight without water, how they will prepare food? We studied about photosynthesis, and now we are going to study detail one of photosynthesis in 6th standard again in science. Okay, so in photosynthesis we studied that one with the help of sunlight, and the plants are already receiving carbon dioxide from the nature, and then from earth or soil they are collecting minerals and water bodies, and with the help of all these things plants are preparing food. If the plants want to grow, they want to prepare food, and they want to have all the situation, then only they can survive. We know some of the plants, for example, if you are collecting some plants, for example cactus, what we collected from desert area, and we are planting in front of our house, and we are giving everyday water. Is it will grow properly? No, growth won't be in proper way, because that circumstances are entirely different. Or we are collecting some of the plants which is growing in black soil area. If you are planting natural plants, I am saying, not this hybrid type of our agriculture cropping and all, natural plants. If you are collecting from somewhere and planting here like that, things it won't grow here. So even though water is there, minerals are there, then sunlight is there, and carbon dioxide is there, but the climate, according to the climate, plants conditions are changing. So that also needed good climate. We needed water, sunlight, then minerals, everything we need to grow as well as survive, even animals, plants, and human being. So we are moving to next part. Okay, asteroids. Apart from the stars, planet and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. There are not only planets. We studied about what is stars, what is planets, what is satellite, we studied. Other than that, very small particles, like when the early morning sunlight is coming 8 o'clock like that, if it is coming through a window to our home, we can see a narrow light, it is coming, and in that something is roaming like that. We observed many times. I know that one, you people are very good in observation, so you observe that one. And what it is a tiny particle like that. When we are going to space or in our galaxy, we can see the tiny bodies and which is surrounding the sun, and that is known as asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. We have seen that that page. 1 second, I will show, then you can understand. Here we can see that one. This is the Mars and this is the Jupiter line, and in between, like a dust particle like that, it is formed, and then it is surrounding the sun without any delay like that. How other planets are rounding like that, that is known as asteroids. Then let us see what is the speciality of that one. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are the parts of planet which exploded many years back. Some of the planets, it's exploding. We heard about the Ulka, it is coming like that, like that things it is coming that time some explosion is happening in different planets. It may be millions and millions years before, and what happened, that is become small. If the rock, we are breaking the rocks, what is happening, it is becoming small pieces. Okay, rock also it is you people may say like that, it is that also not familiar. Okay, when we are eating bread or biscuit or bun, it will small tiny particles will falling down naturally, and what we will do, that's why we are keeping in a small vessel and having it, small plate we are taking and having it. Or if it is outside, we are having without that one also, let it be like that, we are thinking, and that falling part we can't see also. If we are sitting in a dining table and having means, mama will say please keep a plate and have it, like that used to say. Why that tiny particles should not why it is that tiny particles, how it is coming, when we are breaking that one biscuit, when we are breaking, that tiny particles will falling down. When we are breaking the bread, okay, that things that also we don't like, ma'am. Biscuit I don't want, bread also I don't like. What about ice cream? When we are eating ice cream, we are having that one, we are licking, that time what is happening, some drops it will melt very faster, and that drops will falling down, like that all the tiny particles together, what it formed asteroids. Okay, next one, meteoroids. The small pieces of the rock which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Before what we said, small particles like tiny bodies, that is not only a rock, many things are other, and altogether we will call it asteroids. Here meteoroids, that is the small pieces of the rock only. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop it down. Very many times we heard like that, and it is going by next week it will come like that, and we are hoping we can see it, and many times we become disturbed also, never seen where it was, they are saying like that, but we can't see. Then during this process, due to the friction with the air, they get heated up and burned. When it is moving from its own path and it is moving to earth, when it is standing here in its path and it is moving down, because of that one itself, it is getting a relation or pressure on the earth, air. So because of that air pressure, what is happening, it will burn itself, it will become heated and it is burning. And the causes of the flash of light, and when it is moving, we can see like that, many times scientists said like that, we can see a light, it is passing very faster. Then why? Because it is getting heated because of the friction with air, and sometime it will burn up. Then sometimes a meteor without being completely burned falls on the earth and creates a halo. Sometimes 2 years before, 1 year before, like that in Burma, one person was sitting and doing his work. That time they got one piece of rock, and like that he next day morning he understood that something special came in near to his room, inside his workshop and his room and all, and he taken that one. Then he showed to his friends, and later we understood that one, what that was the part of meteoroids, like that. Sometimes it is coming, and if it is falling bigger pieces, and we can see that halo it is forming. And do you see a whitish broad band, like a white glowing path across the sky or a near starry night? It is a cluster of millions of stars, and this band is the Milky Way galaxy. When we are looking from Earth, we can see that one, a group of things, it is moving, or it is just crossing the sky, like that we are feeling. And what it is a cluster of millions of stars, many stars together, it is moving, and it is a band of Milky Way galaxy. That is we can see here, it is the Milky Way galaxy, like this we can see it is moving, like that we will feel it. And for that purpose, not only one day, if you are studying this chapter, that days we will watch the sky, afterwards we will stop it, then we can't see it. We want scientists, how they are watching, they are watching day and night in shift wise, they are sitting and watching, and like that time they are seeing all these things. Sometimes Then next one, our solar system is a part of this galaxy. Which galaxy? Milky Way galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akash Ganga. In Indian name, we given that Milky Way galaxy. What we are calling in Indian name, we are calling it Akash Ganga. Then a galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that are makes the universe. Like this Milky Way, like that, there are millions of many other galaxies. All together it is making universe. Our solar system is part of one galaxy. Like that, many groups are there to make a galaxy. Then like that, many galaxies all together it is making the universe. When we are thinking about our country, very easily we can understand this thing. Things we can't see, that's why it's difficult to understand. Okay, each village it is making the our district, different districts together it is making the state, all the states together it is making the central government or India. In that way we can understand solar system is a small village, and again in every village we can see some special area like that, playground, agricultural area, then pond, like that things we can see that. Like that way planets and all the other things, what all things, satellites, moon, like that things what we studied already. Okay, then next one, like that 10-20 villages are there, that together what is we are making our district. Then all the districts together our state. Then district what it is, that is our Milky Way galaxy, and Milky Way galaxy is another part is a part of another one galaxy, and like that all together it is making the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists, they are trying to reach to Mars many years and years. They are trying every time, becoming failure. We have sent some satellite and got some information, but physically human being up to now never touch. I think when my children are reaching, 6th standard children are reaching in the age of 30, 25, 30, that time, after completing your engineering and all, you people may reach there to give more information. By that time we may die, or like grandmas, we may live somewhere and we may get news like this. Okay, Sharon went there and he studied this one and he find out the new thing, like that we may hear. Okay, all the best now itself, those who are planning to become a scientist and astronomer and all. Okay, try to study and complete your graduation and post graduation and continue your research and all. So scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. So every they are trying to find out many things. So we also can be a part of scientists, and we can start to search something. We can make our own telescope, small telescope, and starting to find out. For that purpose, what all things we should know, we should understand what all things already the scientists find out. So you want to study many things related geography things, we want to read many things. Then if we are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe. That is the, we don't know exactly how much big it is. It is like what we said, like a central government or India, or it is like more than that, like that way. Or again some subdivisions are there. First one universe, what we are calling it universe, that is the one part, like that many universes are there. And again further what we will call it, that also we don't know. We know about only one universe now present. We know about many galaxies, and all these galaxies together it is making one universe. That much we know, and we don't know further what it is. After this completion of this universe, something else is there, or in any other planets we can live or not. Any oxygen is there, many planets having helium, hydrogen, like that things we heard. And how we can find out the life is there in other planets, or they are looking to earth, or sometimes we are feeling like that if we are getting chance to talk to this aliens, what we are calling it, those who came from other planets, how we'll feel? We'll ask many questions. How is the life there? Are having water there? What you are having? How you are eating your food after cooking or before cooking? And what about the food items? Grains are available, plant leafy vegetables are available, like that questions we may ask. So by this we are completing the lesson. Today I will send a worksheet, and what is the specialty of that worksheet? I will send a worksheet with in the form of question answer, in the form of question and not in the form of major points. Okay, first of major points, then you should write that one into CW. As it is, you should copy to CW. Don't take print. Very clearly saying, don't take print. Only you should write to your notebook. Take your time. Today you will get question paper, and Wednesday you can submit it. So take time, write it neatly with the date and day. And what is the heading of the lesson? Our Earth in the solar system. Everything you want to write. Otherwise it will take much time to write. Here it is given like that. Earth, solar system. We are standing here in the middle. I standing here in the middle, or you standing in the middle. Then we are the part of Earth, and Earth is the part of solar system, and solar system is the part of Milky Way galaxy, and Milky Way galaxy is the part of universe. Something else is there or not, we don't know. Then last one, things to do. Prepare a chart of the solar system. Already you prepared chart or clay modeling, but nobody not sent answer to me. Please complete that one also. Then during the vacation, visit a planetarium and describe your experience in the class. Now don't go to planetarium. Already I have sent the link of the 360-degree that universe, that you can observe once again and write your experience. Organize a quiz context on the Earth and solar system. Okay, now I can't assign you people to make your quiz and all. Next lesson onwards we will do. Now I will send a link. You can find out the answers and how much mark you scored, that you can send to me. So like that, the things to do. Then for fun, the sun is commonly known as Surya or Suraj in Hindi. Find out its name in different languages of our country. This is extra things what we want to do. So we are calling it Surya or Suraj in Hindi, and in Tamil what it is, in Malayalam what it is, in Kannada, Punjabi, like that, in different languages, minimum 10 languages, what is the name of that one that you want to find out. And first you try, and now here it is said like that, take the help of your friends, teachers and neighbors. No need to ask teachers, neighbors and all. If your answer is there in your fingertip, just type that one. Sun in Marathi, sun in Punjabi, sun in Tamil. Then Tamil and like that things already you know. Then other things you can, if you are typing the language name, that word will come. You can write it in English, and pronunciation you can write in bracket with English, because that English or same language you can copy as it is, in the way of how you are drawing, in the way you can do it. Then second one, you might have heard that people make human chains and run for a world peace, etc. You can also make a human solar system and run for a fun. Now for that also we can't do together like that, but we said like that, solar system like a family, a father is the head, like that. So take your family members' help. So you want to stand, if there is 3 members, suppose one person is sun, one person is earth and one person is moon. If more members are there, then you can arrange other planets also. Okay, don't go here and there to collect your friends and all. Instead of that, take the help of your father, mother or grandparents or relatives, those who are living with you or next house also. Don't go in your house, how many members are there. With the help of that members, you can do this role play, and you can take a small video of that one and send it. Only 1 minute and 1 minute video enough, like how it is running, and Earth is running a little bit faster, and when we are comparing with other some planets, at the same time other planets are running very slow when we are comparing with Earth and all. So like that way you can arrange it. Okay, by this we are completing the lesson. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.